Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share another design team project for my creative time, and I'm just going to jump right in. And so today I am using the Strawberry Fairy Add-Ons, Strawberry Fairy and Friends, the 2mm and 4mm half back pearls, the 3.75 by 4.75 card base layers, You're the Berry Best stamp and dies, and then Strawberry Blossom 2026 paper pack. And as you can tell, I'm using this past release and it's adorable, so I thought I would use it again. And here goes this adorable little card that I created today. I hope that you can see it because I am filming at night. Normally I film during the day so I can have sunlight, but I didn't have enough time and I just got finished with the card, so I thought I would share it now. And I thought it's adorable. There were some pieces I didn't use last month, which was like this little notebook piece here. And I didn't use, there it goes, the balloons right there. So I thought I would lay that up on top of the notebook paper, and it just kind of blends right in, it just goes right around. And I just pulled one of the little girls out. Very simple card style that I'm using. And then I also used that, the stamp and dies there, You're the Very Best. And I just love how it turned out. Love that green back there behind everything. Just kind of brings out everything else. And then I just finished off the inside of the card with another piece from the 3.75 by 4.75 card base layers. And there goes those little flatback pearls. I love this card. It's just so cute and it was so simple and so easy. So anyways, I will have everyone's links down below if you'd like to visit some of the other design team members and get some of your creative juices flowing by looking at some of their projects. And I'll have Miss Emma's store linked there for you. And if you'd like to use my code, it's MOE for 10% off your total purchase. And that's about it. And make sure you come back this week. This week we'll be having another release. And yeah, it's a cutie, so I really like it. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.